In today's video, I am going to teach you how to change Google Chrome avatar with custom picture. 2023. To begin, open Google Chrome on your computer. Make sure you are signed into the Google account that you want to update because the profile picture you change will be connected to that account. Once Chrome is open, go to your Google account and open the Personal Info section. This is where Google lets you manage the basic details tied to your profile, including your name and photo. When you are in the Personal Info area, look for your current profile picture. If you have never added one before, you may see a simple placeholder icon instead. Click on that picture or icon to open the profile photo settings. Next, select the option to add a profile picture. Google may show you different ways to choose an image, but for a custom picture saved on your device, click the option labeled From Computer. This allows you to upload an image directly from your files. Browse to the folder where your photo is saved, then select the image you want to use. After the image uploads, Google will usually give you tools to adjust it before saving. You may be able to crop the picture so your face or subject is centered more clearly. You may also see an option to rotate the image if it was taken at the wrong angle. Once you are happy with how the image looks, click Save as Profile Picture. Google will then apply the new photo to your account. In many cases, the update happens right away, but sometimes it can take a short moment to appear everywhere. That covers everything you need to know.